Rainy Day Adventure. One day, Zoe and her friends went for a walk in the park. Suddenly, dark clouds filled the sky, and rain started pouring down. They ran for shelter, but it was too late. They were caught in a heavy rainstorm. Zoe remembered what her dad had taught her about staying safe in the rain. They found a sturdy tree and huddled together underneath its branches. They waited patiently for the rain to stop, singing songs to pass the time. As they waited, Zoe realized the importance of being prepared for unexpected weather. She promised herself to always bring an umbrella or a raincoat whenever she went out. Finally, the rain slowed to a drizzle, and they were able to make their way home. Wet but happy, Zoe and her friends laughed about their rainy day adventure and made plans for a cozy afternoon indoors. From that day on, Zoe knew that even unexpected storms could turn into fun adventures with the right attitude and preparation.